Hey guys, Niels Reip, your career branding specialist here. I'm out walking Copenhagen today, and it's summertime, and that means it's vacation time for a lot of people. And I just got this idea that I wanted to share three of my favorite career books with you in an email that goes out in a couple of hours. And so, what I would love to know is, what are you reading? What are the kind of books that inspire you? And is there any book that have really made an impact on you and changed your view of things? If so, I would love to read it in a comment down below here. And if you want to know my three of my favorite career books, then make sure to go to nielsreip.com and sign up at nielsreip.com/newsletter. You can also sign up through joining my 7-day LinkedIn Boost course, and you do that right there on the homepage on nielsreip.com. So shoot me a comment below with your favorite books and what you're reading right now. I would love to know. So with that, I hope you're enjoying the summer and that you are ready to take your career to the next level when you're back from vacation. I'll talk to you soon.